was coming through this V-notch through here, and surprisingly I got through it without caving the whole side of the truck in, but I did cut a tire. We just plugged it. It took 3 plugs in the sidewall, and we were able to get it done before it came off the bead.
One of the kits you always want to have as close as possible is your tire plug kit. So we got them plugged. Now we're gonna put some air in it.
Keep rolling.
Keep rolling. We have a spare tire, but we're hoping not to have to use that.
Yeah.
Because that's actually the spare off the trailer. Because when we bought this truck, it didn't have a spare. Good times.
Celebrating my little victory of getting over that big obstacle, and I just plowed the front steering and tie rod and everything into this boulder and destroyed the steering stabilizer, so I can take that off and get it out of the way, but I did bend the tie rod pretty good too. Driving this thing takes so much focus, it's crazy. Like, you can't back off for a second, otherwise you do something dumb like this.
So we're in the middle of the Rubicon, but the cool thing about this is we ran into a bunch of guys in JKs that we know. The guys from JW Speaker, Terraflex, and Nemesis, who are friends of ours in the industry, and they're actually headed the opposite direction. They're going back into town where they're gonna meet up with the people from Jeep Jamboree and then turn around and come back. Dave is talking to a friend of ours. He's gonna put in an order for maybe to see if he can find a new carburetor, maybe some spark plugs and stuff. That's the cool thing about the Rubicon. You never know who you're gonna run into, and all of these guys are well built, so they're not really having any issues getting through. So hopefully they can get to town, find us what we need, and get back out here so we can keep on trucking.
I want it.
Clutch went to the floor. The engine twisted and the motor mount probably ripped up, and the clutch linkage all came apart because it's all mechanical, it's not hydraulic. We got it back up here on level ground, and the engine seemed to sit back where it's supposed to be. So we threw some ratchet straps around the intake down to the frame, and then we put all the clutch linkage back together. So hopefully these ratchet straps will keep it from torquing and ripping apart, but something else will break next.
What's our list of broken and bent and damaged so far? We got motor mount for sure. We got exhaust broken on the Jeep. I think we have a blown head gasket because it's filling up that coolant jug with oil.
Let's not say those types of things.
We're doing a good job, Fred. We're doing a good job.
So the truck didn't start again, so I walked back to give him a hand, and as I got here, he's like, it's on fire again.
The fire extinguisher was out from yesterday, so
we beat it with our hats, and that didn't put it out. And finally, Dave took his shirt off and smothered it. So,
onward to the next problem.
Yeah, we're gonna keep going up here and see what else breaks down.